Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN CamperVan navigation. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage map settings. At the beginning, let's go to map from the homepage of the navigation. Now you can zoom out the navigation, zoom in. You can change orientation. Direction, and then you can change elevation, time of day, sunrise and sunset time, trip distance traveled, trip moving average speed, trip average speed, trip maximum speed, and many more. Here you can check your current speed for trip A, for trip B, maximum, moving average speed, your location, time, and then you can go to menu. Right here you can stop the route, edit route, mute the navigation, check cities ahead, check what's up ahead, check elevation, traffic, trip data and turns. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.